It's just gone 6 o'clock in the morning. I left home at 4:30 and I brought coffee with me because I wasn't even sure what would be open, to be honest, besides McDonald's. So I'm on my way to coffee run for collecting cars. Well, we're here at Auckland Showgrounds, so go and see these cars arriving.
Morning, you're going to park up on the grass next to the Morning. Good, how are you?
It's the launch of Collecting Cars New Zealand, and Chris Harris and his team are here, but I think they might even be a bit of a sideshow to what's rolling in here. There's Mr. Harris going for a little stroll. He's not feeling the cold because he's just probably come from England. This is one of those situations where ordinarily you'd see any one of these cars and you'd probably walk up to it and look at it. You get into a situation like this and it's, where do you look? I remember years ago going through museums in Europe, walking past absolute masterpieces because there's just too much to see, and it's a bit like that here. You just can't see everything, you can't take it all in really. see too many of these around. I think that some of the more recent EVs that are coming out from BMW should have carried some of the styling cues over from this. They're a cool looking car, I think. Beautiful lines. I'd really like to drive one of these. Oh, so cool. Never actually seen one in the flesh. Wow. Very cool. us. We're off back to the Bay Plenty. Hope you enjoyed the video. Collecting cars at Auckland Showgrounds, New Zealand. What a great turnout. Wow.